easiest legit part-time online jobs. Have you noticed that working online is becoming increasingly popular? It is so because online jobs provide flexibility that is allow you to set your own schedule, diversity, and have got some cool income earning potential. Plus, tons of online jobs don't require much prior experience, special degrees, or certifications. If you ever need a part-time online job to supplement your income, here are 6 easiest and legitimate online jobs for you. 1. Websites and app testing. Companies that produce new apps and websites need users to test them out and give feedback. This is such an easy job that requires no experience at all. You just have to sign up with a website like User Testing or UTest to get started. About payment, it depends on the website you signed up with. A popular testing site might pay between $10 and $60 per each website or app tested, depending on the amount of time required. 2. Writing articles. Are you passionate about writing? You can get paid to write articles online. So many companies or organizations are looking for freelance writers to help with their blog posts and website articles. Payment vary depending on the article and company you're working with, but generally, a beginning freelancer can expect to make between $5 and $100 per article. In addition to the money, the more jobs you get, the more experience you get, and in the future you may turn it into a full-time career. You can sign up for sites like Fiverr or Upwork and make your free profile to get started. You're free to post your skills on there and bid on jobs that will be a good fit for you. 3. Proofreader. Proofreading is for people with excellent grammar and an eye for detail, as the job entails reading through someone else's writing to make sure it's coherent and correct minor grammatical errors. Proofreaders find work at the online publications and magazines, publishing houses including small-time blogs and websites. You can either get hired as a contracted proofreader for a specific company. Top proofreaders earn a comfy full-time salary, or independently promote your skills via freelancing and earn around $10 to $20 per hour. The latter is also great because it provides an avenue for more experience, and the more you grow in it, the more you'll be charging. Upwork is a good site to get started as a freelancer. 4. YouTube channel. YouTube is one of the most profitable online side hustles. Once you get 1,000 subscribers and above on your channel and 4,000 watch hours, YouTube gives you the option to monetize by posting ads before your video. Beyond that, you can make more money by partnering with brands and promoting their products. Just pick your niche, a specific aspect you like to be showcasing, and stick to it. The more specific your niche is, the easier it will be for you to attract and retain followers, hence growing your community. Also, don't expect to make a full-time salary with your YouTube channel immediately. It takes inspiration, time dedication, and consistency to grow your YouTube channel. 5. Data entry. May not be very exciting, but is an easy and profitable side hustle, especially for someone who's organized, has at least a high school diploma and basic computer knowledge. Like the name goes, your work will simply be to enter data into spreadsheets. Data entry generally starts at around a minimum wage salary or slightly higher. You may also be able to access benefits like healthcare and paid time off, depending on the job. Find data entry jobs on a job site like Indeed or on a freelance website. 6. Social media management. If you have some basic knowledge of social media, you're a student or a freelancer, this is an easy job to get started with. Celebrities, businesses, professionals, artists, etc. need active social media platforms not only to market themselves, but also to share content to inspire their followers, but usually don't have time or talent. That's where you come in. As a social media manager, your task is to handle someone's day-to-day activity on social media, including drafting posts and tweets, responding to messages, updating profile information, etc. As a social media manager, you may either charge by the hour or function on monthly contract with your clients. For watching till this point, we reserved a bonus for you. Number 7, visual assistant. Working as a visual assistant is a job that almost everyone can do. A visual assistant works for an office or a business, performing basic tasks such as scheduling, customer support, and general administration. As a visual assistant, you can earn from $19 to $25 an hour. If you're interested, want to learn more about what it means to be a virtual assistant and become one, there are plenty of resources on the web that can also prepare you for the job. You can find such jobs on sites such as FlexJobs or Indeed. Thank you for watching this video. We hope you found the information beneficial. At this point, we'll be glad to have you do 3 things for us. Subscribe to this channel, like, share the video, and drop your comments below. Stay curious, stay smart.